Hi, it's me, Sudarshan. Today I'm going to show you how to install Canon 2 Lebanese Pounds 90 printer driver. First, you have to connect printer cable with PC to printer. Click on search bar and go to control panel. Click on hardware and sound. And go to devices and printers. If your Windows is 11, then click on any printers. Now click on more device and printer settings. Here is showing your 2 Lebanese Pounds 90 printer. Now you have to go any browser to download printer driver. I will continue with Chrome browser. Type your printer model and press enter to continue. Go to the first link or click to open link, and click here to download. Now you can double click to continue or extract this file here. If you can't find extract file, then you have to copy this file and paste on any folder. I will paste on desktop. Now we have to extract from here. Now open this folder. Click on Setup. Click on Next button. Click on Exit or you can restart your PC. Now open your control panel and go to Hardware and Sound, and Devices and Printers. Click on any printers and go to More Device and Printer Settings. Now you can see your printer driver is installed successfully. Right-click on this printer. Click on Printer Properties. Click on Print Test for print test. Now we have done successfully. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, comment, subscribe, and share.